if you don't care about me. I will care about you, 'cause we all gotta make it through this shit. I don't care if you don't care about me. I will care about you, 'cause we all gotta make through all of this.
What's up, you guys? It's Tammy X of the Rebellion here. So today I'm coming at you guys with my Aloe Vera Pre Poo wash routine, and I'm just going to be using two things to do this. So I took my sew-in out, and that's my doggy. He wants to go outside again. You can't go outside again. You keep going out. So anyways, I took my sew-in down, and I see a little bit of growth in my hair. Nothing too crazy. I only had it in for like a month. And I'm sorry if my voice sounds like really hoarse. I've been waking up every morning with my throat dry and really irritated. And I figured maybe it's the weather, or maybe it's like something to do with me needing to change my air filter in my house, which I still have to go get one today. But anyways, I digress way too much. It's my ADHD, I swear. We're gonna hop straight into the video. So I'm gonna be using fresh aloe vera. I got this from my job. It's $2. And we're also gonna be using some Cocavo. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's basically like avocado and coconut. And this stuff is amazing with helping to seal the moisture into your hair. It's worked so well for me. I was able to kind of wear my hair like this and just dabble a little bit of this on for just a day. And I was like, no more. I need to wash my hair because I'm about to put it in another protective style. So let's get started.
So you want to go ahead and have you a pair of scissors that are sharp enough to cut through the aloe vera, a bowl, and a little spoon to scoop the gel out, an extra bowl if needed. And you want to go ahead and cut off both ends of the aloe vera. I actually didn't do that though until I watched the video. I ended up cutting the other half off when I got to it, so you can do whatever floats your boat. And I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting it again. This was kind of my first time doing this, so I kind of just went by the punches with it, and everything worked out just fine. Some of the benefits of aloe vera include a proteolytic enzyme in it. It helps promote hair growth, and it also can help reduce breakage, damage, and all that good stuff. And its shiny luster-like gel gives your hair instant moisture and shine. So I think I'm going to be doing this at least once a month, if not twice a month. I'm gonna try to. Something you could also do is leave it on overnight, which if you are pre-shampooing your hair, doing it as a pre-poo, you want to leave it on overnight. This just helps with the hair follicles and opening them up. So I noticed in a lot of people's videos who were doing this rinse for their hair, they weren't taking out the actual aloe part. They were just doing the gel. And I decided to take the aloe part out and kind of like exfoliate my scalp with it. I figured that that would have a better effect than just squeezing out the gel. and you'll actually get more from the product. You can do this, or you can do it the other way and just do the gel, but this is how it's gonna look. It's gonna have those lumps if you decide to do it this way, and I just exfoliate my scalp with those. So now you're just going to take your extra aloe vera that you don't use, and you're just going to put it in a bag. I've seen some people wrap it up in a paper towel and wet it. You can do that if you want to, but like I said, I'm probably going to be doing this a week from now. So yeah.
So now that we've got our pre-poo all prepped and everything, you want to go ahead and put you a towel around you. I have my kids' handy dandy PJ mask out because this is the only towel that I have clean now because I'm doing laundry. And you just want to go ahead, you can section your hair apart. Since really this is good to help stimulate your scalp and cleanse. You can do that if you want to. I don't. But in this instance, I'm just going to go ahead and take like 2 quadrants at the top and do that. Then we're going to go ahead and get started with applying our aloe vera gel. This stuff is messy. I just really like getting all in there. Like, this is fun to me. Like, just make a mess with it, have fun. This is like my inner child coming out too. It's kind of like a sensory thing for me too. Like, look at how squishy this is. Like, oh, someone could do like an ASMR video. I'm sure there is plenty of them on YouTube. Like, I love this. I feel like I almost want to get like this bowl and just like put, no, we're not gonna be that messy. This is really soothing on the scalp too. Like, it is really soothing. some of my hair that I ordered because I'm doing a new wig line. Well, my new 2021 collection. And my dog's about to start barking, I guarantee you. He may or may not. He usually doesn't bark at the mailman or the UPS man or whoever, Amazon. I'm just basking all this in. And I do have a little breakage due to the fact that my hair was just in like braids, and he's not barking. That's so surprising. But he'll bark at a random dude jogging down the highway, but he won't bark at the FedEx man who comes straight up to our house. So now that my floor basically looks like a mudslide and I made sure that my hair was saturated, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the sealing part. I'm gonna be using Cocavo pressed. I think that, yeah, this is virgin raw extra virgin pressed coconut and avocado oil. And I get about this much, and I take it and I let it multiply in my hand. And we're just gonna go ahead and go on top of all that aloe goodness. Get that sealed in. And since this is a pre-poo, we're not gonna put like a plastic cap over it or anything like that. That will like defeat the purpose, so. I love how like this stuff makes my curls look like how defined it looks when I apply it onto there. Like, that's super cool. And I was right, that was FedEx and that was my hair. I think it was just one of the funnels I was missing for one of my pieces, so I started to make my 2021 wigs. If you follow me on Instagram, I've been posting like little designs and sketches on there. So I just got my last piece in. I had to order this separately because my vendor didn't have like the 13x4s in transparent because they were running low on stock, and they had restocked them and they were starting to go fast, and I ended up getting the last one. So this is the last one to my piece, and I think altogether I'm gonna do 12 wigs in this line. So far I only have 6 designed. No, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think 5 designed, but ordered like a crap ton of hair. So I'm excited to release these wigs to you guys. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel. And please guys, just make sure you're engaged in my content. That's what keeps me going. So we're gonna go ahead, anywho, I digress a lot. We're gonna go ahead and let this sit on your hair for about 20 minutes, 15, 20 minutes, and then we're gonna wash it out. You're really supposed to do this the night before you co-wash your hair. It's just supposed to be a pre-poo and you're supposed to sleep on it, but I didn't really have time, so we're just gonna do it this. So now that I've washed everything out, I went ahead and conditioned my hair using the Main Choice Exotic Kool-Aid Sweet Papaya and Pineapple Infinite Conditioner. And this stuff smells so good, you guys. Like, not only is it good for your hair, it's like sulfate free, paraben free, it smells great, but it leaves your hair feeling so soft. That's what I love about this stuff. And it's great for 4B, 4C type hair, wavy coils. So get you guys some. This stuff is amazing. And I bought a whole bunch of other products from them too that I plan on doing another video featuring this stuff. So that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and be sure to be on the lookout for part 2 of this video on where I style my hair in a